So a question to control the curve size here. How we can do it here? We can easily by apply the vertical alignments to the template, or we can show by using a parametric constraint here. So now, go back to the corridor or linear reference that you make it. I just simply go to the template there so that you can see what I'm going to do. So I just create my template. So in my template, you need to have first of all check about the option here. So you can check if you double click the point, you will see there's a vertical with this point is a 0.1240 and this is a vertical height. I want to change the value, so I in vertical this parent value I add a new value called curve design height here. So okay, you can use it this one. So of course you can also change and test the point control by vertical to see what happens if you change the vertical. So now we do both sides. So we just already save it. So we just go back to the corridor here. So for example, I want to change here. So the first things I can simply just using we have a tool called parametric constraint. So we can create parametric constraint. For example, I want the curve will start in training age 50 and then will just spend about like maybe just spend about 0.5 meters to change here. So what I'm doing to this job curve, I just select the corridor or linear template. So while I'm started, so I just easily create start from 50, enter, log it, accept, and then go to start from 50.5 to log and as a stop here. So after I accept that, I will change my label here. So the label is a curve height right hand side. So I just click accept and then start is a 0.1524 start and then stop will be 0. So I just click accept and you will see it will start to change the value here. So after change the value, the next one is you can go back to the corridor here. Always using this we call corridor object. Select this component again and you can see the temperature drop or even you will see the parametric constraint here. So it helps you to do it very quickly. For example, I just copy the setting and paste it here. So the next one you may think about is from 0.5 to here. Maybe I need 2 meters. So I will go to I add 2 meters here, 0.5 as well. So after I start value, I should be 0.0. So it makes sense that from 0.55 meter to change to 0, about 2 meters, or even I should make it like 4 meters for the car to enter here. So after you change it, if you close it, you go back to the, the levels here or the model here, you will see it will going to drop a little bit about this. So I just change light, or just change to other like illustration so that you can change it. See, it's going to change. You can have look, it's changing for the vertical. Okay. So at last, of course, it's more easy that after we finish it, we go back to the parametric constraint. We copy one again, just paste it. So at the end, we may go to 555.54.5 and then go back to the 0.5 meters at the end, and I will start from 0 back to this value. Okay, it should be 0.1524. Enter. Close. So afterward, you will able to see the change about this value here. So it is what about the changing of it. Of course, the new version of update 3 And you can also see that in parameter constraint, you can have a tool to import by using a text file to do it as well. So of course you can also export in the text file so that you can always changing import and export the change here. That's about how to create the job curve.